Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Calculus problems like this are actually super fast to solve if you know exactly what to look for on the graph. Let's go through this.
First, the mean value theorem requires a point where the instantaneous slope equals the average rate of change. We need to find a spot where the tangent line is perfectly parallel. Next, the intermediate value theorem ensures the function hits every value between the endpoints. We are looking for the specific point that satisfies both of these big calculus theorems simultaneously now. Point C has a tangent line parallel to the secant line and hits the required intermediate value. Therefore, C is the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to judgment, trust the given conditions, and check your steps.